Exploring the Lucknow with Shabla Local. Lucknow, the city of Nawabs. Known for its rich culture, delectable kebabs, and historical heritage, Lucknow is the capital of Uttar Pradesh, India. How to reach Lucknow? By air. The Chaudhry Charan Singh International Airport, LKO, connects Lucknow to major cities. You can book a direct flight for a swift journey by train. Lucknow has a well-connected railway station, Lucknow Junction, LKO and LJ. Several trains operate to and from Lucknow, offering convenient rail travel options. By road, Lucknow is well connected by road. You can opt for a private car, taxi, or bus. The city is linked with national highways, facilitating a relatively quick road journey. Popular places to visit: Bara Imambada, built in 1784 by Nawab Asafuddaula, is a Mughal architectural marvel in Lucknow. Known for its Grand Hall of Mirrors, it features one of the world's largest arched constructions without supporting beams, showcasing extraordinary engineering and craftsmanship. Chota Imambada, also known as the Imambada of Husainabad, was built by Nawab Muhammad Ali Shah in 1838. Adorned with intricate calligraphy, chandeliers, and exquisite mirror work, it serves as a mausoleum for the Nawab and his family, reflecting the opulent lifestyle of the era. Rumi Darwaza, marble at Rumi Darwaza, an iconic gateway epitomizing Lucknow's grandeur. Built by Nawab Asafuddaula in 1784. It resembles ancient Turkish architecture, earning the name Turkish Gate. This imposing structure once served as the city's entrance and remains a symbol of its rich cultural heritage. British Residency. Step into history at the British Residency, a complex that witnessed the pivotal siege of Lucknow during the 1857 Indian Rebellion. Once the British Resident General's residence, it now stands as a poignant reminder of past struggles and sacrifices. Janeshwar Mishra Park. Escape to Janeshwar Mishra Park, one of Asia's largest parks spanning 376 acres. Named after politician Janeshwar Mishra, it offers lush greenery, jogging tracks, and recreational facilities, making it a favorite retreat for locals and visitors. Kaiserbagh Palace. Admire the architectural splendor of Kaiserbagh Palace, built by Nawab Wajid Ali Shah. This 19th-century royal complex, with its European-inspired design, gardens, and water features, epitomize Lucknow's rich cultural and political heritage. Chattar Manzil. Visit Chattar Manzil, a historic palace blending Indo-European and Mughal architecture. Built by Awadh rulers, it served as a residence and administrative center, featuring striking domes, spires, and an intricate facade, epitomizing cultural elegance and architectural finesse. Nawab Wajid Ali Shah Zoological Garden. Explore the Nawab Wajid Ali Shah Zoological Garden, or Lucknow Zoo, established in 1921. This lush sanctuary hosts diverse wildlife, offering educational exhibits, conservation programs, and a serene setting for visitors to connect with nature and learn about biodiversity. Husainabad Picture Gallery. Immerse yourself in history at the Husainabad Picture Gallery, housing a remarkable collection of photographs and artifacts. Located in Husainabad Imambada, it showcases portraits, manuscripts, and relics that vividly depict Lucknow's rich cultural heritage and evolution over centuries. Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar Memorial Park. Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar Memorial Park is a sprawling tribute to Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, featuring grand architecture, landscape gardens, and monumental structures honoring his legacy as a social reformer and architect of India's constitution, advocating for social justice and equality. Best places in Lucknow. Explore some of the best spots in Lucknow. Lucknow Charbagh Railway Station, a beautiful blend of architectural styles. Gomti Riverfront Park, a scenic park along the river, perfect for a relaxing evening. Handicrafts of Lucknow. Chiknakari, explore the exquisite Chiknakari, a traditional embroidery style unique to Lucknow. Zarbulent work, admire the intricate Zarbulent work, showcasing the city's rich craftsmanship. Lucknow street food, savor the flavors of Lucknow with its famous street food. From kebabs to biryanis, the city offers a culinary delight for every food lover. Destinations nearby. Extend your journey with nearby destinations like Varanasi, Rai Bareli, Ayodhya, Prayagraj, and Kanpur. Varanasi. Extend your journey to Varanasi, known for its spiritual and cultural heritage. Rai Bareli. Visit Rai Bareli, a city rich in history and culture. Ayodhya. Explore Ayodhya, a city of great religious significance. Prayagraj. Discover Prayagraj, famous for its Triveni Sangam and historic landmarks. Kanpur. Visit Kanpur, a city known for its industrial significance and historical sites. Lucknow, with its rich heritage, culture, and culinary delights, awaits you. Plan your visit and explore the city of Nawabs with Shabla Local. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, remember to like, comment, and subscribe for more exciting content. Follow us on social media for behind-the-scenes insights and exclusive content. Keep exploring with us as we uncover new horizons together.